Hello, are you struggling with a negative exponent as well as a fraction? If yes, you are not alone. So that is what we are going to break down in this episode. So we have just a simple expression that is what we are going to simplify using a couple of mathematical rule, and then yeah, that's what we are going to break down in this episode. So before that, could you please like, share, and then subscribe this episode or this video with your friend? That will help me a lot. So let's proceed with the expression. So what I'm trying to say is basically we need to find out to simplify this expression. What you need to do is you need to know a quotient rule as well as a power rule. So what I'm trying to say is let's say you have the power of m multiplied with n, okay, multiplied with n, which is equal to basically you will get m multiplied with n. This is a power rule, as well as a to the power of m, okay, upon a to the power of n will you will get this equation rule, and then you will get a to the power of m minus n. These are the basic mathematical rule that help you to simplify this expression, okay. So now what you can do is first thing first. So you need to know this 9 and 7. So basically 9 means, as you know, that 9 equal to 3 to the power of 2, right? 9 means that 3 to the power of 2, as well as 27 is equal to basically 3 to the power of 3, right? 3 to the power of 3 is 27, okay? Now you can plug this term over here. So said 9 means 3 to the power of 3. So what you can do is, like I said, you can plug this in terms of 9. So 3 is the power of 9, 3 is the power of 2, open the bracket, close the bracket, then multiplied with 1 upon 2, right? This is a power over, what is 3, 3 is the power of 27 means 3 is the power of 3, right? So there is 3 is the power of 3, open the bracket, 1 upon 2, right? 2 upon 3, right? 2 upon 3, okay? 2 upon 3. So what you can do is you can cancel this guy with this guy, as well as this guy with this guy, okay? Now you will end up with, which is equal to, let me set over here. So which is equal to 3 is the power of 1 minus 1, basically negative 1 over 3 is the power of 2, okay? That is what you will end up. And then, like I said, using this rule, okay, you will move this guy over, this denominator to the numerator. So what you can do is, meaning that 3 is the power of minus or negative 1 minus, right, 2, right? So based on this rule, okay. Now what you can do is you will just add this guy, so you will get 3 to the power of minus 3, right? That is basically the answer, but you need to still simplify this exponent. So what you can get is, this means basically, as you know, that 1 upon what? 1 upon x means what? X is the power of minus 1, right? So even basically, based on this rule, what you can do is 1 upon 3 to the power of 3 means 27, right? Or 3 to the power of 3. So now, what you can do is you can just multiply this guy. 3 to the power of 3 means, like I said, it's 27. So you will end up with 1 upon 27, okay? 1 upon 27. So that is a final or simplified answer for this expression. So let me know if you have any question in the comment section. This guy is 1. So let me know if you have any question in the comment section. I'm happy to reply to you guys. So like I said, could you please like, share, and then subscribe at this video? That will help me a lot. And then yeah, I just want to let you know, if you're in TikTok, you can follow and then like, as well as share this video with your friend. Yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next episode. Have a good day. Enjoy your day. Thank you.